Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to delete Instagram account. So for this purpose, first you need to open Instagram app on your mobile device. Then at the bottom right corner, you have your profile icon, click on it. Then your profile will appear on your screen. Here at the top right corner, you have these three horizontal lines, tap on it. Then settings and activity page will appear. Here tap on account center. Once you click on account center, then account center page will pop up. Here you have the option of personal details, you need to tap on it. Then personal details page will pop up. Here you have the option of account ownership and control, tap on it. Then on this page you have the option of deactivation or deletion, you simply need to tap on it. And then from this page choose that account which you want to deactivate or delete. Then on this page you have two options, deactivate account and delete account. For deleting account, tap on delete account. Then this page will pop up. Here you need to select that reason that why you want to delete your Instagram account. Once you select that reason, then click on continue. Then for deleting your account, here you need to re-enter your password. Once you re-enter password, then you have the option of continue. You simply need to tap on it. Once you click on continue, then this page will pop up. Here you have the option of delete account. You simply need to tap on it. Once you click on delete account, you can see that Instagram account is deleted. You can see it's now scheduled for deletion. So it's very simplest and easiest way to delete Instagram account. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.